We chose to investigate the question, do larger animals live longer? We found out that the certain animals live for different ages.
An example is that a koala is 150 centimetres and it lives for 11 years, but a dog is 60 centimetres and it lives for 12 years.
This shows that there is a larger comparison and doesn't really help with the question. We did a scattergraph and table to figure out our findings.
In our opinion, our investigation was successful because we found out the answer to our question.
However, we did find out that the small animals sometimes don't live long because a butterfly lives for 14 days and it is small. Our animals that we chose were butterfly, pigeon, ladybird, frog, duck, snake and koala, and they all lived between 14 days and 12 years. To find out how long they lived and how big, we used iPads to search it up.
As a group, we decided to investigate, is there a link between an animal's lifespan and their gestation period? We also wanted to investigate if the shorter the lifespan, the earlier the gestation period. We also wanted to know that the longer the lifespan, the later the gestation period.
What did you believe the outcome might be?
Believe that the shorter the lifespan might make the gestation period earlier.
Could I add something? Okay, am I right in saying that first you decide which animal you needed to focus on?
Yes, that's right. We then researched the lifespan and gestation period of each animal and recorded it in the table. Then we created a scattergraph and table invest.
So how did you choose to record it?
We did choose to record it by doing a table and a graph.
What did you find out?
We discovered that our predictions were right, as shorter lifespan equals earlier and longer lifespan equals later gestation period.
In our opinion, the investigation was effective because we researched that correct info and could record our findings.
We could have improved the range of animal species we used, but apart from that, everything was perfect.
That sounds like a great investigation.
The question, it was, do larger animals live longer?
We want to prove that small animals can live longer. What do you predict would be the outcome?
We predicted at first the question was true. How did you find out the information that you needed?
First we chose an animal, then we found out their height and lifespan. How did you choose to record your information?
We did it in a table and a graph. What did you find out?
We discovered that frogs will live longer than a dog because frogs live 30 years and dogs live 30 years. Why was your investigation effective?
In our opinion, the investigation was effective because we included all the different lives. Question did you want to answer? I was curious to larger animals live longer than smaller. What did you predict would be the outcome? I personally predicted that it was going to be equal for all sizes and species. How did you find information on this topic? Nearly only had mammals, so we had to go back to the drawing board. How did you find the information? But different units of measure to centimetres. What was the noticeable pattern? Found out that most of the time large animals are stronger.
We chose to investigate the question, do larger animals have a longer lifespan?
We predicted the bigger the animal, the longer the lifespan.
We went on Google after choosing the animal and made a chart of the information.
We chose to record our findings by putting them on a bar chart and a scattergraph. We discovered that the larger the animal, the longer the lifespan. However, we did find that the snake did not have a recorded height on the iPad. It was not successful because the snake didn't have a recorded height on the iPad.
Do bigger animals reproduce younger? If the animal was bigger, it would reproduce younger.
We researched the size of each animal and the age of the reproduction stage.
We recorded this on us. We recorded our investigation on a scattergraph.
We found the smallest finger it produces.
What question did you choose to investigate?
We chose to investigate the question, is there a link between the size of an animal or length of life?
We wanted to prove that there is a link between the size of an animal or the length of the animal lifespan.
What did you predict would be the outcome?
We believe that the life of some animals isn't that long. How did you choose to record your investigation?
We chose to record our findings on the table and a spatograph. What did you find out? What patterns did you find? What did you find out? What patterns did you find?
In our opinion, we found that the human had a longer lifespan, but the butterfly had the shortest lifespan. Why was your investigation effective?
In our opinion, the investigation was successful because we worked as a team and helped each other. Bye!